Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Coinbase loan. First, let's cover eligibility. To qualify, you need a verified Coinbase account and must reside in an eligible U.S. state, excluding New York. Currently, only Bitcoin can be used as collateral for these loans. You can borrow up to 1 million USD, with the exact amount depending on the value of your Bitcoin. This process allows you to access liquidity without selling your crypto. Now, let's walk through the application process. Open your Coinbase mobile app and tap on your cash balance. From there, find the Loans section and select Borrow. You will then enter the amount of USD you wish to borrow. Remember, your Bitcoin will be converted to Coinbase wrapped Bitcoin and held as collateral. Review all the details carefully before authorizing the transaction. Understanding the loan terms is crucial. Interest rates are variable, often as low as 5%, and there are no additional Coinbase fees. You have flexible repayment options, meaning no set deadlines or minimum monthly payments. However, it is vital to monitor your loan's health. If your loan-to-value ratio reaches 86%, your Bitcoin collateral will be automatically liquidated to cover the loan and a penalty fee of 38%. Managing your loan is straightforward. You can easily monitor your loan's health and collateral status through the Coinbase mobile app. Should you choose, you can repay your loan in part or in full at any point, as there are no early repayment penalties. For any questions or further details, the app also provides access to comprehensive support resources and your complete loan history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.